Welcome back. Today we're going to be working in my woods edge garden areas. We're going to be relocating some plants. I love when I can relocate plants from one area to another. I have a lot of my flower beds very full. I just need to kind of move some things around. As you can see here, this salvia was blocking that hosta, so I need to scoot this salvia back. One issue I had with planting some things here was I planted them before they had grown up this spring, so I didn't really know where I had planted all these hostas that I got from my grandma in the fall. My grandma has a beautiful garden. She had so many hostas that have just grown up over the years, and she gave me so many. I'm so thankful for her. This was one of them. So I just moved it to the front, got it out of the way. I'm also going to move another plant from this area because it's just crowding in. You can see here I have a little variety. That's my favorite hosta. That's a climbing hydrangea I got last year. I'm looking to get some more. These are some plants I got off the clearance rack. The three that are small are from the clearance rack and they haven't grown up very much. That's the plant I need to move over to the heart garden, which I'm going to be working on in my next video. But this is what it looks like. I'm really obsessed with it. I love it. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite gardens. This is the back side of the woods edge garden. One great feature of it is this rock wall that my husband created. There's a lot of hostas in here, a lot of hostas that my grandma gave me. As you can see, they're all facing the house. They're facing the sun. That is something I did not anticipate. I'm trying to figure out if I want to change up the way it looks. I'm going to leave it the way it is now just because I don't really have anywhere to put any of these plants. Don't hurt yourself. This wood pile is eventually going to be moved out of the way. Probably put more hostas there. There's a little mum that keeps coming back every year. Now this area I will say is very insulated. He put like a 3-inch thick layer of mulch and it has done very well. It really preserved everything. Some stuff didn't even die off. It just was dormant in the way it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this plant. This is one of my favorite hostas. I do like the green ones. They kind of blend in when you're looking from the house into the woods, but I love the way these flower. They flower a beautiful purple lavender flower. There are also some lime green hostas I'm going to relocate up towards the house by the tree. This little area, I'm just kind of surrounding it with hostas for now. This is kind of in the ant area. I got to call the orchid man. But this area is going to be expanded out. Hostas do really great in our area, and I have found they've done the best in shade. So I just kind of want to see if I can grow up this whole area in hostas underneath this shade tree and see how it goes. Now I'll take you over to the woods edge garden on the west side of the driveway. Once again, more hostas from my grandma. As you can see, these all have either the cream or the yellow rim on them. I prefer these at the woods edge line because you can actually see them. If you do the all green, they just kind of blend in with the woods and you don't really see any difference. There's some green ones in here that I need to relocate. So this tree is kind of a thorn in our side. It V's off, which is not good because it really is weak and it could fall in either direction. The issue we're having is this electrical box. It's right next to it, so it makes it difficult. Thank you so much for joining me today in my yard work and on my little tour. If you liked this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. We just need to build a goat house. We need to just get